bismillahi raxmaan raxiim sidii caadada noo ahayd dhegeystayaal waxa aanu 3CR iyo video aan isku darayno ayaan maaragtay idiin soo daynaa arrimo muhiim ah waxaan caawa rabaa inaan waraysto oo maaragtay lineka igu jiro ka daawanaysaan video ahaan u arkaysaan Walid Yusuf waa nin macnaha businessman aha ama dii kale mushtari ama maxaa la dhahaa dadka magaalada Melbourne khibradana u leh kambaniyana rangareeyay marka arrimaha ayaan ka su'aalayaa Walid Yusuf welcome to 3CR and YouTube channel wacaal iyo wargelin.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yusuf, tell me a little bit about yourself and your, you know, you are a resident and African with from Sudan been lived in Melbourne for a long time and run a business. Tell me more a little bit about yourself, please.
Okay, my name is Walid Yusuf. I'm from Sudan. I came to Australia in 2002. I started English for 1 year and then didn't finish it. And then I started working straight away and started working in the factory, and then I didn't like it. And then I started working in the cleaning company, and the owner did really like me. God bless him. He's a really nice man. He treated me like his son. He told me everything about the cleaning business. So I started my cleaning business about more than 10 years ago.
Okay.
And I worked really, really hard. I used to work like between 12 to 15 hours a day. It went off.
What's happening?
The screen got covered.
Yes, Walid, go on. Sorry, there was a bit of interruption. We sorted it now.
So the owner of the cleaning company did teach me a lot of things about the business, and he even advised me to start my own business. And I did start it, and it went very, very, very well. But I worked very, very hard on it. So I used to work between 12 to 15 hours a day.
Okay.
Until I started my first own contract. And then I started to relax a bit. But I was working all the way with my employees. So I ended up with 6 employees and about 6 contracts.
Walid, so the trick is when you are going into either business or job or anything, utilize the experience of the people who know well. So what you're telling us is that you have actually did well by engaging someone, a good man, as you said it, who was into the cleaning, business, and you trusted him, he trusted you, and kind of transfer some of that knowledge and experience to you.
So he did teach me a lot of things about the business, very much everything about it, and I learned a lot from him. And plus that, I do like cleaning. I do like everything to be organized and tight. So I believe if you like what you're doing, you'll be good at it. Simple as that. So if you got an idea, any kind of business idea, not just the cleaning business, any kind of business idea, and you believe in yourself, and you know that you could make a difference, and you give it the best shot, and you work, and you're willing to work very hard on it, it will benefit you. It will 100% benefit you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, inna Allah lan yudhi'a ajra man ahsana amala, which means God never wastes anyone job or energy for nothing, for free, for nothing. Only it will benefit. It always will benefit. So if you believe in yourself that you could make a difference, just go out there and make a difference and go for it. No one is stopping you. So anyone could do it.
And would you say also, Walid, that you kind of, as you said, it's something you like it. It should not be only something you intended to make money out of it, but also you like it, helping the community, helping fellow human beings, and contributing even to the country we're in and the city we call home, which is now our city, Melbourne.
Yep, that's right. So it's not that only just like was a job to me. It's something I do like, and it's my hobby. So I like everything to be tight and clean. So if you come to my house, you will see it's very tight and clean, because I always like to keep it tight and clean. So it's not, and I believe if you like what you're doing, you'll be good at it. Simple as that. So if you like what you're doing, you'll be good at it for sure. It's just a matter of you got to find out what exactly that you need in life, what you want to do, what you want to do with your life, what that you like, what the most thing that you like. And you got to remember this, it's always you have to have a background of your experience, that you're going to make a difference. You're not going to be the same as everyone. You believe in yourself, you're going to make a difference. So anyone, any business idea, not just start cleaning business, any idea that you know that you believe in yourself and you can make a difference, and that you know you're gonna work hard as much as hard as you want it, and to give it the best shot, you'll be successful.
And Walid, can you, as we talked a bit earlier, you told me offline that you are actually prepared to help the community, people who want to start a business, especially cleaning.
Yes.
Any advice, any collaboration, any hint they need, they can you give them, and I'm hoping we will have more segments coming up in the coming weeks to share with the community.
Yeah, anyone, the people these days, they buy the contract. It's because all the companies become franchise. So what they do, they have an agreement with the owner, and they tell them they're just gonna change their contractor, or they tell them sometimes like, yeah, we're gonna franchise, and you're gonna get a percentage of it, and you will make some money out of it. So that's why they agree to it. But in general, you don't buy the contract. You apply for the contract.
Yeah, so you're saying go to the source as much as possible. Don't be someone who's been profited or been, taken advantages by someone else other than the real, owner or whatever you're providing the service to, whether it's a company or individual or organization. Yeah.
So people become franchise, and they buy the contract, it's a big risk, because you still gotta be working under the policy and legislation. And if, like, for example, the cleaner didn't show up or didn't do a good job, or they make a complaint, you will lose the contract. So you lose the money that you paid. So why are you taking a risk? So you just need to do your paperwork together, register the company, register the ABN. You got the experience, or you got the qualification, or you've done the course. There's a cleaning course, short course. It's only goes for 6 months. It's a certificate 3 or 4, I don't remember, in cleaning, which is very easy to do. You could just do that and just get your paperwork together and just go out there and apply for contract. That's all. That's all what you need. It's all about advertising. That's all.
And connection, yeah. Look, and you said now about franchise and people being taken advantage of it and not being the best business solution. We did actually encounter through the Cult and Legal Service, Ian, who you met, who helps the community and been helping for now nearly 11 years. Some people come to us with the issues they had when they actually took it over, what they considered to be a franchise, and they've been given hard time. It's like what the agreement being changed. For example, particular businesses, a job they do per week, used to, when they started something like 3 or 4, it's been reduced to 2 or eventually 1, and they just, and the end they were heading to actually lose the whole thing. And they come to Ian and help them and ask them. One of the things he asked them was, I remember, was, you should have shown a lawyer when you, or someone who knows these kind of things, when you're signing the contract. You don't just sign the contract. So what you're saying is, here now is that someone like Walid can actually help those people and advise them the best way, even if they want to go into that, the best way to. It's really wonderful, Walid, and as I said, we will be having hopefully in the future some advice you're gonna give to the people who are run their own businesses, and so they don't go into the trap and get benefit from your own experience. If you want to say what is the last thing you want to say to people who thinking about either running their own business in general or especially cleaning business?
Do you not ever go for franchise? Don't ever do that. That's wrong. That's rip off. That's rip off, because you become just like a normal employee. If you think about it, they're just gonna work it out how much you get paid in a year, and you buy the contract. You pay the money at the front, and then they pay you on installment. So that's what you're getting. It's the same thing like you're working as an employee and you're getting paid. But if anything is stuffed up, like if the job have not been done or the cleaner did not show up or any complaint, you're gonna lose the contract. So you lost your money, all the money that you paid, which is you worked hard all your life and you saved it to make a better step for yourself in life. So what's the point? Just do your paperwork. I'm more than happy to advise anyone and show them exactly how to get the contract. More than happy. It never have a problem with me, because I've done it, and anyone could do it. If I've done it, it's not anyone, impossible for anyone to do it. Anyone could do it. Only way you need to have these right tools. And I'm more than happy to support, and I'm more than happy to help. It's very easy and simple, more than you ever think. You just
So Walid, you were saying, never sign a franchise. It's not, it's a
Yeah,
rip-off, and it's
that's
not a good
rip-off.
thing for you.
Yeah, it's a rip-off. They're just taking your money. What's the point in doing that? Just start from scratch and you could do it. And I'm not only I had the experience and I worked myself, but I gained the experience. No, I got a diploma of business management as well. So I did my study as well. So I got the qualification and I got the experience. So it's not hard. It's not impossible. Anyone could do it. But don't ever go for franchise. It's a waste of time. I'm more than happy to support and I'm more than happy to help anyone that in the African community that needed to help to start their own business.
That is really good. Walid, thank you.
We want brothers and sisters.
Yeah, thank you very much. That's actually very worthwhile advice and very good and to benefit other people's experience. And as I said, we will continue to have some, programs to actually get your advice to the community and share, as we usually do it here in 3CR. We try to help the community to share ideas and skills and whatever else they can share it. Walid, Yusuf, thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
Thank you. Appreciate your time, Hamdi. Thank you so much. And as I said, I'm more than happy to help. You could get my number from Hamdi, or you could just get it from him and call me at any time would you like to get any support, any information. I'm more than happy to help the community. Thank you so much.
That's good. Absolutely. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye.
Thank